definitely face difficulties due to encroachment, but are too complacent to react. Well, we did react. And hopefully we have created some ripples of changes which will soon become waves. I appeal to you all to be the part of change as well. Here is a video displaying our work.
To know from you that what is actually encroachment?
ये का मेन काम है, जो भी विकास प्राधिकरण होता है उसका काम होता है कि एनक्रोचमेंट जहाँ जहाँ भी है उसको चिन्हित करे, उनको नोटिस दे। नोटिस देने के बाद अगर उस समय में उसको नहीं हटाया जाता है तो फिर पुलिस की सहायता ले करके उसको
Thank you, sir. And how is your team able to tackle the problem of encroachment, which is growing as a big problem in our city?
हमारी जो टीम है, सामान्यतः हमारा काम यातायात को सुचारू रूप से चलाना है। उसमें जो अस्थायी जैसे इंक्रोचमेंट दो तरह का हो गया, परमानेंट हो गया, टेम्परेरी हो गया।
हम सब इसके जिम्मेदार हैं। तो सुनाई दे रहा है कि नहीं? अरे क्या है?
Yes, we can make a difference. We just have to be passionate enough to make a change.
तू नहीं थके कभी, तू नहीं थमे कभी, तू नहीं मुड़े कभी, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ।
यह महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु स्वेद रक्त से लथपथ, 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 अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। Though the roads may be strewn with struggle, still the fire of conviction enables one to cross it. These were the famous words of Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan.
Ancient Indians recognized Agni as the power of heat and light, and the willpower united with wisdom.
The holy scriptures speak of 5 kinds of Agni: the fire of time, the fire of hunger, the cold fire, the fire of anger, and the fire of knowledge.
However, presenting now a fire with a difference, Agni the rock band.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the premises of Sunbeam School, Varuna.
Here we are, the band of Sunbeam Varuna.
Agni! So we have Fahad and Hemant on keyboard.
Sanskar and Ayush on guitar.
On drums we have Anandam. And on octopad we have Shubh Anupam.
And here we are.
Rani,
Janvi.
Gauri.
Saurabh,
Shivan and Ayush.
Come on, everyone. Everybody for you for the first time in Sunbeam Varuna, Liquid Drumming by Ayush, Arindam, Ananya and Himanshu.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, धुंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन गमता। जय देव जय देव टांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे, प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंद पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नामा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या करुणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावा, करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि, श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकी नायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे
Well, the fiery energy and passion was definitely evident in that performance. And now, staying on the beat, it's an honor for me to request Executive Director Sir, Mr. Harsh Madhok, along with Mrs. Neha Madhok, to please address the audience.
Jai Hind and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am speechless today because the performance, Vividha, I mean, it was so inspiring. I was so overwhelmed by the performance that it was just amazing. And you know, the props, the expressions on the faces of the children, the way they danced, the theater performance which they had, it was the amalgamation of both East and West. And you know, it's just the whole concept that unity comes from diversity. That when we have diversity, when we have people of different cultures, when we are respecting one another, that's only when we can grow and become more mature as people. And that's what we aim at Sunbeam Varuna, to have that diversity as well. So, fantastic performance, and a big kudos to the team of, the entire team of Sunbeam Varuna. So can we give a big round of applause to the admins of Sunbeam Varuna, you know, Anupama ma'am, Ipsita ma'am, Panda sir, I just want to keep a few names, Surekha, fantastic. All of them worked day in, day night to get this thing going, and what I would call it a very mature performance, as in everything was looked into detail, the props, even the backdrop with the wings and the LED, it was just inspiring. So kudos once again.
Vividha illustrates how we see our children in Sunbeam. For us, every child is different, every child is special. Every child is a shade in himself that is unique to him. So we like to celebrate that uniqueness. We like to also, through our schooling system, then bring out those colors to you in a beautiful way. Today you must have seen the uniqueness in our children. You must have seen the Sunbeamians perform on and off the stage and impress you. We had achievers from the academic arena. We had children with dancing abilities, children who were musically inclined, and orators, beautiful orators. So those kind of colors that we celebrate, and we also celebrate difference. I would also like to now congratulate the whole Sunbeam Varuna team. Kudos to you all. Every Sunbeam annual program is like a journey. It's like a lifetime. They make you cry, they make you laugh and joy, they make you dance. Today was one such event. Also, I think I traveled the whole country today along with all of you. It was beautiful. I'm very, very impressed, and God bless the whole team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Over the years, Sunbeam Varuna has always been concerned about the environmental issues pertaining to our natural resources.
Recently, the Sunbeam Group has adopted Assi Ghat as their responsibility. Collectively, this area of river bank has been cleaned and beautified within a period of less than 3 months.
The next lesson to be shared by the Varunites request you to appreciate and protect the mystical rivers of our land, namely Ravi, Chenab, Satluj, Beas, Jhelum, Narmada, Godavari and Ganga.
Dedicated to the mysticism of the beauteous river of the land, Vividha 2014 present Mystic Rivers.
In India, a river is a mini cosmos in concept. Every river is a mother deity who spawns mythology, art, dance, music, architecture, history, and spirituality. In India, there are rivers who we know so much about, and then there are rivers steeped in mysticism, so well known, yet people know so little about their past and present.
I am Saraswati, confluencing with the Ganga and Yamuna in Prayag, have been extinct for ages, though I continue to live in the hearts of Indians. Today, only a roaring torrent named Saraswati can be seen in the Mana village near Badrinath in the Himalayas, where I meet the Alaknanda at Keshav Prayag. I am white and elegant like a swan. The Ganga, the Yamuna and me represent the trinity of divinities in Indian culture. I am Brahma, the creator. Yamuna is Vishnu, the sustainer. And Ganga is Shiva, the destroyer. But most important, this divine trinity is seen as one in the confluence of the 3 rivers at Prayag.
I am Narmada, named the most beautiful river of India. Deep, dark and mysterious, I flow from Amarkantak in the central mountain ranges of India to the Arabian Sea. The forests on my banks are dotted with quaint temple heritage cities and tribal villages. I symbolize detachment and surrender. On my banks are heritage cities like Mandu, where the tragic love story of the Hindu dancing girl turned queen Rani Roopmati and a Muslim poet emperor husband Baz Bahadur unfolded. On my banks too stands Maheshwar, the beautiful city built by Rani Ahilya Bai, the celebrated Maharani of Indore.
Godavari, rising in Gangadwar near Nasik, representing devotion and its traditional color, saffron. On my banks are several legendary monuments dedicated to Ram, Sita and Lakshman, in addition to the Jyotirling temple of Trimbakeshwar. I, Godavari, bring fertility to the plains of peninsular India and am worshipped as the symbol of single-minded devotion to divinity. I am saffron river of devotion, sanctified by the presence of Ram, Sita and Lakshman on my banks.
ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీనాంబరి వెతలు తీర్చు మా దేవేరి వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ఏసై సాపజోర్సై నావబార్సై వాలుగా చుక్కానే చూపుగా బ్రతుకు తెరువు ఎదురీతేగా ఉప్పొంగిలి గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీనాంబరి
चंबे दी बूटी के मेरे मुर्शिद मन विच लाई हूँ वो नफियस बात दा पानी दे के हर रगे हर जाई वो जुग जुग जीवे मेरा मुर्शिद सोना अते जिसे बूटी लाई हूँ पीर मेरे जिगनी जी
We, the 5 rivers, Beas, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab,
and Jhelum make Punjab. Panch means 5 and Ab means water. So Punjab means 5 waters. Beas and Satluj merge into one river, retaining the name Satluj at Harike near Firozpur in Punjab, which eventually merges into river Indus.
The rivers of Punjab have witnessed history like no one 2,450 years ago. Alexander invaded Punjab and conquered a great Punjabi king named Porus, whose kingdom was in the banks of river Chenab. Alexander returned to Greece right before crossing the river Beas, as his forces refused to fight.
We stand witness to the legendary love stories of Heer Ranjha. Soni Mahewal, Mirza Sahiban, on our banks have saints like Bule Shah have gone around spreading the message of religious tolerance and connecting with the God in their own way.
दिया है मरघट मरघट, बस्ती बस्ती स्वर्ग दिया माँ गंगे तेरी लहरों ने इस धरती को क्या न दिया।
पड़ेगी। अरे नींदे हैं जख्मी, अरे सपने हैं भूखे, कि करवट फट पड़ेगी।
In the yesteryears, Saraswati was the lifeline of India's ancient, pulsating, throbbing civilization. It brought prosperity, color, wisdom, knowledge, wonder, and above all, a priceless spiritual heritage to the people of India for the thousands of years. But when man's greed exceeded his needs, blind usage and exploitation led it to vanishing from the face of earth. Hear out aloud, humans, save your rivers, look after them, because if you do not listen to the pleas of the rivers today, you may not be there to repent tomorrow.
अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, कि कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी हो। अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, कि कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी हो। Open thy mind, walk alone. Be not afraid, walk alone.
যদি তোর দাগ শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর দাগ শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে।
Open thy mind, walk alone. Be not afraid, walk
Good evening and Jai Hind, everyone present in the auditorium. Sunbeam Varuna, through the final act, reiterated what Sunbeam schools and students across Sunbeam branches believe in, that we will take care of our resources and we will not once again let a river vanish like Saraswati did. This is perhaps this reiteration that took us to adopt Assi Ghat, and what you saw was also a dramatic depiction of what we firmly believe. On this thought, may I request Honorable Chairman Mr. Deepak Madhok and Director Mrs. Bharti Madhok to please join us on the stage and let us know what they thought not only of the program but also of the theme behind the saving of natural resources. Sir, ma'am, please.
A very good evening and Jai Hind. And once again, I need you all to please join your hands for all the programs, for everything on stage. All our love and affection, all our applause to the creativity, the dresses, the thoughts behind the making of this amazingly fantastic, awesome, I don't have adjectives today, show which we witnessed just now, the 10th annual show of Sunbeam School, Varuna, 2003 2014, but the 10th show was actually out of this world. And the message was so grand that it just left us surprised, and it just left us thinking into ourselves कि हम क्या हैं और हमें क्या करना चाहिए. The theme of the Mystic Rivers in the end was a story very close to my heart. When I first went to Assi Ghat and I saw the magnitude of the carelessness, इतनी लापरवाही, इतनी गंदगी इस शहर में क्यों है, मैं हमेशा सोचता था. और जब भी सोचता था मैं लोगों से कहता था. बहुत से लोग मेरे साथ आए, बहुत से लोग नहीं भी आए, लेकिन मैं लगा रहा. और कुछ दिन पहले जब भारत के प्रधान सेवक और हमारे यहाँ के प्रतिनिधि, उनसे मेरी एक चांस मुलाकात घाट पे ही हुई, तो उन्होंने कहा कि क्या इसको 1 महीने में, इतनी सारी ये सिल्ट है 40 सालों की, इतना सब है, can you remove it? I didn't know what to say, but he took the answer as yes, and he said, "No, you can remove it," and he went and announced it. Sunbeam ने अपना वादा निभाया, and just about 3 महीने तो लगे, लेकिन उस पूरी की पूरी सिल्ट को आज जब हट के सीढ़ी नीचे से निकली, तो मैंने भी कभी अपने जीवन में अस्सी घाट की वो सीढ़ियां नहीं देखी थी. गंगा इज द रीजन फॉर वाराणसी. गंगा ही बनारस की एग्जिस्टेंस का कारण है. ये शहर इतना पुराना, इतना सुंदर, जिसको आनंद कानन कहते थे, आज उसकी दुर्दशा क्यों है? और हमारे आने वाले समय में 10-20 सालों में क्या बच्चों को गंगा मिलेगी भी कि नहीं मिलेगी, ये भी सोचने के लायक है.
Spellbound performance by Sunbeam Varuna, and it has left both of us, especially sir, very, very emotional. Especially when that last song was played, Ekla Chalo Re. Because from last 1.5 months, I was the one who was protesting. But sir had decided that yes, whether you are with me or not, I'm going to do this Assi Ghat ka project. And so beautifully he has done it. I want all of you, if you get time, go around and see that ghat now, because you can see how one person's determination can change the things. And that is what, leads us to, it's a moment of pride for all the Sunbeamians that everyone is so determined. Everyone is so standing for the cause. When it comes to education, each program of ours is not only entertainment. We want to educate the children. And it's not only the children, it is through one school, a city changes. And I'm sure the message which the children are carrying today, the teachers who have done the program, they must have done a lot of research, because each program had some meaning, had some philosophy. And then the inauguration was so beautiful. How all of us, we have to be together. This country belongs to all of us. Let us go above religion. Let us go above caste. We are Indian first, Hindus or Muslims or Christians later. With this thought, I want to congratulate each one of you for presenting such a wonderful program. Well done, dear teachers. Well done, Amrita ma'am, Principal ma'am, Aditya sir. I can see your signatures, and the drumming was amazing. It was not easy to present those drumming, which was really beautiful. To the parents, I want all of you to realize there is a thought which says that our children are not inheriting our things. We have borrowed this word from our children. So let us give them the right guideline. Let us leave a beautiful word for them, in the word where we have enough laughter, enough fun, enough care, compassion for each other, and at least, yes, fresh air to breathe and fresh water to drink.
And in this 10th year of Sunbeam, I must mention one thing. The number of prizes won today on stage, I think in sports, in elocution, in debates, Varuna was rocking. The fact remains that Varuna overtook the rest of the Sunbeams in getting prizes